The article I chose for my research is the associations between fetal and infant pet exposure and food allergies. So this article talked about how the percentage of food allergies in children has increased over the years and how pet exposure has shown to help the prevention of allergic diseases. So there have been a few studies showing that the exposure to farm animals during fetal development has actually helped decrease the risk of food allergies. There's still no direct correlation between the different types of animals and different food allergies. But there was a study obtained from pregnant women in their first, second, and third trimester, and these were self-administered questionnaires, and data contained information from fetuses, including pet exposure and food allergies. So the study showed that exposure to dogs and cats might be beneficial against developing certain food allergies between the ages of 1 and 3. Dog exposure in infancy can help decrease the risk of allergies to eggs, milk, and nut allergies, and exposure to cats can help decrease allergies to egg, wheat, and soybean. And the question I asked AI was, how does pet exposure in infancy affect food allergies? So some things that both AI and the article agreed on was that being exposed to certain animals during infancy might help reduce the risk of developing allergies. And it also mentioned that dogs help with peanut allergies specifically. AI also mentioned that being exposed at an early age is more beneficial. Some things they disagreed on AI and the article was that AI didn't give much information regarding the ages and how they come into play being exposed to pets. AI mentioned that something AI mentioned that wasn't in the article was how there is individual variability such as genetic factors, existing sensitivities in the immune system, and how these can have effects on allergies. Overall, I thought AI's answer was a little bit vague. The article included more information about tests done and different information regarding ages. And something AI did mention, which I liked, was that hygiene hypothesis, which this talked about how infants being exposed to microbes from pets can actually help their body distinguish the difference between good and bad substances. So that's everything.